This week on Nothing Lasts Forever, I'll share my 10 best wake surfing tips. It's going to be a wet and wild adventure for some of Austin's top creators and a total wipeout for others. Be sure to stay to the end for the behind the scenes.
Everybody should come. If you don't get on the board.
And hi, my name is Laura Lantry. I'm single, a photographer, world traveler, tiny plane hopper, explorer, scuba diver, sharkaholic, big cat lover, and sunset chaser. I found myself on layover in the live music capital of the world during the COVID-19 pandemic. And just as the country was starting to open up again, a fortuitous cup of coffee made me realize nothing lasts forever. So I grabbed a mask, I packed up my F2 Savannah adventure cat, Xena, Agent 009, and set off to make the most of our situation. These are my adventures. Nothing lasts forever. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. No matter what happens, don't stop shooting. I'm a strong swimmer, all right? Just don't drop that camera.
My name is Jason. I'm with Happy Hour Boat Rentals, and we do pontoon and surf rentals on Lake Austin and Lake Travis, mostly Lake Austin. This is where I love it. It's so pretty out here, and I teach people how to wake surf.
I have to zip this? I have huge thrust. I don't think it's gonna zip. Are we all having fun?
You're doing a good job of keeping the board between you and the boat.
We got Laura, this round 3 or
Widen your stance. Widen your stance. There you go. Ready? 1.
toes up. Relax.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
1. Come on, Laura.
Huh?
When I say 3, push down with your hamstrings. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Relax.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then pivot. Remember to pivot.
Yeah, as soon as you got the standing up part down. So literally, as soon as you're up, just turn the board. The pivot is hard.
All right. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I said I want to hear you. Come on.
Ready.
Got this, Laura.
We got the board.
Almost had it. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go, Laura. Not ready. Are you good? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Sit up. Now that's good. Come on, Laura. Yeah.
If you never came back again, there's actually 2 things that I would recommend. One of them would be the seared salmon.
Okay.
It comes with spinach and sauteed tomatoes. And then the other one is going to be the famous fumbler. It's a chicken fried steak.
Say, oh, maybe we'll just get a bite to eat. I always tell them, you need to come over there because I had the best chicken fried steak of my life there. Of my life.
I love it. I love it.
Since you've never been on a snowboard, you've never been on a skateboard, normally that's how I would tell. But, so just actually kind of like put your right foot forward.
Then I guess it would be my right foot then.
Your right foot forward.
It is forward.
Do the motion like I told you.
Okay,
Like,
okay.
like imagine that you're actually going down.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, there you go. Now, does that, like if you're going on something, do you feel like you have more control like that, or now do the other way?
I don't know. This one, for sure. This one.
Right forward.
This one's stronger.
Okay. You want
This
your,
one's stronger. So should this one go
it doesn't
forward?
matter which one is stronger. It just
doesn't?
matters how your balance. Like,
Let me ask you a question. Do you think that I'll be your most challenging student ever?
no. When people come out here and want to surf, they're more focused on like getting up, not dying, you know, the simple things in life. This one seems to be wanting you guys to have your content so much that you're not focusing the way that I would like for you to focus on
I
this.
swear to God, I
Okay.
am focusing. All right, what do you have to tell your fans about this?
I hope this is very, very good content for you.
If Mariah can't do it, you can do it. Yeah, but you could be the dark horse. You want to give?
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another aviation adventure.